Okay, okay.
I just had a couple of questions. Should I ask you now later on?
No, no, we can begin with the question. So, if you have any question, queries, or any feedback, anything, you can share it right away. Because
So,
I don't have any set or specific agenda to be discussed. I thought of just having a catch up meet.
yeah. Yeah, I had just couple of things. Like मैं बहुत new. I'm new to this group. I'm just 15 days old, 15, 16
Sure,
days old.
sure.
So I've been off late been seeing some. I know it's a very volatile session and it's a very risky session every day.
Right.
So like I'm feeling I when I don't take the trades I set out and preserve the capital as like that's also one of the important thing. But then I've started feeling like I miss out on good trades also.
Right.
So, but I like wanted to ask you, how can I make it better? We can, like I'm sure there will be more people who will be on the same boat as me.
Right.
Like, what can be done? Like, should I take all your trades every day and which you give till the time I make 1.5, 1K to 1.5K and then set out, or should I avoid such days? Because I've been my observation last 16 days is your calls are really good, and by the end of the day, there are only one day or something like that. We turn up positive, whatever happens.
Okay.
So I wanted to like I was not able to understand. I'm pretty new to this thing also, to the group also, and I've been just started seeing your trades last 15 days.
Sure, I do understand the concern. So, Sham, to be honest, the problem with not being able to take all the trades is or rather only lies in the position size that you are taking.
Hmm.
Tell me what is your ideal position size that you usually get
So
into?
I usually I take one bank nifty and one nifty call, whatever you give.
Okay, and don't tell me exact your margin, uh, the capital adequacy, but just an approximation. Is it decently loaded or is it very tightly loaded? How is it? Sham, I think you are on mute.
Oh, sorry, it's around 13 to 14, 13 to 15K. So
13 to 15K. Okay, so see, the trading is as we all know, no, this is kind of a very uncertain domain uh, of the area to make some money out of it. Uh, I do understand, when trading with very limited set of amount, you will be always be fearful or be scared of getting into trade, and what if that reverses. uh, I would suggest you to just go with one lot only, as you said, you ideally go with one lot only. uh, the one thing that you said right is, since you have been in the group since past 15 or 16 odd days, um, it's basically kind of the trust that we are building. So I have quite a many individuals in our group. I'm sorry, I'm getting my voice echo. Can someone please mute themselves? Thank you. So I have quite a many individuals in our group who takes each and every trade of mine. Okay. So it's just a matter of the trust that we are going to build upon.
exactly, sir. I wanted to ask you this thing only because I was observing last 15, 16 days. Out of those, honestly, whenever you have said it's very risky, I've not traded those days at all. I just sat on the sidelines and I've been just observing the day whole day. And what was my observation in the last 15, 16 days is out of you, whatever trades you give, if I take every trade, each and every trade, and with the stop loss and everything, because I see whenever the trades are going for a loss, you do not wait for the when you give the you don't give the option stop loss when you give the indices stop loss. You ask us to cut it beforehand when you think it's going the opposite way.
Right,
So what I have observed is by the end of the day, we come out positive except one odd day it was not. Even if it's 500 bucks positive or 1,000 bucks positive. So I was thinking like rather than sitting on sideline, I take every trade. And you do not. The other good thing I liked about this thing is you do not club two trades. Like if one trade is going on, you just finish one trade and then you enter into another trade. You do not ask us to add two trades together. So if that can be done, that will that be helpful for me at least?
See, Sham, the only problem that I got to know is with respect to your margin that you are currently trading. So, uh, will be very honest, what you're doing is not wrong, is actually right. When you know that your margin is quite small, and you cannot afford to take any kind of a risky trade that I'm quoting, you should definitely avoid it because if we all realize, since past 2 to 3 sessions, we have been actually going through quite a lot of choppy and kind of an uncertain trading sessions. So it is not at all completely wrong to stay at the sidelines. What you're doing is right. Okay, let let
Yes.
let the storm pass away, then
Okay.
you can get into trading.
Okay,
My
sir.
my to be honest, my concern is not with the
गुरुजी नमस्कार.
Namaskar, Rohit, is not with the traders who are trading with heavy margins or heavy capital. My concern is with the traders who are actually trading with a very limited set of margin, because a single trade can completely wipe out your entire capital. If you fail to manage your positions well, if you fail to cut down your trades at the right time, your bank nifty is enough capable and enough competent to know to draw down your entire capital. Hence, that is the kind of a stress, or that is the kind of a concern that I usually carry with me. So what you're doing is absolutely right. Don't feel missed out, or don't get into that FOMO kind of feeling. What you're doing is right. Let the storm pass away, then you can get back to the trading. As I always say, today is not the last day to trade, and markets are not going to end after a few days, because market has been in existence even before we were born, and they are even going to remain in existence even we pass away. Right? Sorry, bad
Okay.
example, but that's a
No, no,
fact.
yeah, no, no. That's a fact, sir. That's honest. That's an honest fact. That I agree. Just because the last 15 days, I think it's 5 or 6 days, because it was very very risky, so I avoided and sat. And I observed your complete whatever you calls you used to give, trades you used to give, and then I noted at the end of the day, even if I do not it did not square up at the top of the price, whatever you said, but like if I get 1.5K, and then I'll sit at sidelines till then I might keep trading, keep trading. That was my thought process. I wanted to confirm with you.
Sure. Thanks for getting that to mind. I believe that will help
गुरु
the others as well.
गुरुजी थोड़ा सा समय दीजिएगा.
हाँ रोहित जी बोलिए.
गुरुजी मेरे थोड़ी सी मतलब क्वेरी थी.
हाँ जी.
मतलब सबसे बड़ी चीज ये थी कि सर आप ट्रेड कॉल देते हैं, बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है. मतलब ऐसा कभी किसी चैनल में नहीं मिला है. लेकिन सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम सर ये हो रही है ना कि मतलब जो प्राइस है जैसे ऑप्शन का, तो हम लोग क्या है कि मतलब मान लीजिए 400 में आपने दिया तो हम लोग 430 450 बस एग्जिट कर देते हैं. तो मुझे एक चीज नहीं समझ में आती है, जैसे आप बोलते हैं ट्रेल करनी है, तो ट्रेल कैसे करनी है, कितने अमाउंट पे करनी है, या एग्जिट आप फिगर बता दें कि ये स्टॉप लॉस रखना है ताकि हम लोग एक मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट कर सके. लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि सर हम लोग 30 40 पॉइंट 50 पॉइंट लेके निकल जाते हैं और
बहुत अच्छा
काफी
करते हैं.
ह्यूज प्रॉफिट मिलता है सर बाद में.
बट सर उसी बात पे मेरे को एक और चीज बोलना है. हाँ, जो रोहित जी ने बोला है,
हाँ जी.
लाइक उसमें अगर इफ यू डोंट, आई नो यू डोंट नो द टारगेट, जैसे 400 कॉल है, इट विल गो टू 700, इट विल 800, और इट विल गो टू 500. But like you keep giving the resistance chart, but at times we are not able to read the chart क्योंकि हम लोग होते नहीं है कंप्यूटर पे वगैरह देखने के लिए, और मोबाइल पे ढंग से दिखता नहीं है. तो अगर आप खाली फिगर्स में कभी कभार दे दोगे कि नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस ये है या तो नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट ये है, अभी वो हमारे ऊपर हो जाएगा कि कॉल लेना है कि नहीं लेना है. दैट इज मेरे एक दिमाग में वो चीज आई थी. मैंने शायद आपसे 4 5 दिन पहले भी सेम सवाल भी किया था ये चीज के लिए, बिकॉज मैं भी 30 40 रुपीज लेके निकल जाता हूँ. 1000 रुपीज आ गए मेरे, निकल गया, मैं निकल जाता हूँ. सर आप म्यूट पे हो, आप म्यूट पे हो.
Someone is presenting. Abhishek ji, can you please stop presenting? Abhishek Chatterjee, आप present कर रहे हो. Can you please stop presenting? अभिषेक चैटर्जी, कैन यू प्लीज स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग? आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. Yeah. Am I audible?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Suresh. Yes, Suresh.
So, Sham, is my understanding correct कि आप लोग बोल रहे हो कि once I provide any kind of trade, you want the resistance to be given along with that?
So either the resistance or support नहीं तो क्या हो जाता है मालूम है जैसे how रोहित जी ने बोला like what he said is like you give suppose you gave a call at to buy at 400 rupees. We
Right.
get 430 rupees, we get 440 rupees, we exit the trade and very good. I understand days like today, yesterday, and 3 4 days back, it's been very volatile. But on the normal days, I've seen that 400 goes to 700 also, 600 also, and well, we do not take the complete juice out of your trades or something like that. I know even it's impossible for you to tell कि it will go to 700, it will go to 800 or something like that. But at least in figures, कि this is the call, and I feel the next resistance is here. And if like यहाँ कहीं profit book हो सके, I think I'm just telling you if a medium way. I was thinking, how can we do that better? Because I also take 30 40 rupees. I get 1,000 bucks or 1,500 rupees. I just sit on the sideline the whole entire day now. I don't do anything else. Then I feel I like a miss out. Ki, what a beautiful trade. Like 11.
Sham, you got muted.
Oh, sorry. मैं like 11K बनते थे 11.5K बनते थे और मैं 1,000 1,500 rupees लेके sideline में बैठ गया. So my thing is, how can that be even solved? Because even it's impossible for you also to decide कि this 400 rupees call will go to 700 rupees or 800 rupees. But at least if you have the resistance and figures, okay, it's our call कि हाँ भाई इतना तो wait करते हैं कि वो हो जाए. I think so. I'm not sure about it, so I'm very new. Whatever you say, nothing against it or something like that.
No.
Please.
Absolutely, and I understand that.
बस सर यही प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ नहीं रही. जैसे आप एजल बोलते हो ना कि आप एग्जिट कर दो, तो हम लोग एग्जिट तो आपके कहने पे हो जाते हैं, लेकिन आप जो प्रॉफिट करते हो कि यार ये कॉल यहाँ पहुंच गई वहां पहुंच गई, तो हम लोग उसको एग्जिट नहीं कर पाते. हम लोग पहले ही एग्जिट हो चुके होते हैं. बस ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम लोग कैसे उसको मेंटेन करें कि यार हम
So,
लोग जहाँ बॉस बोल रहे हैं
रोहित
वहां
जी,
तक हम लोग
इसका
पहुंचे.
इसका मैं एक फंडामेंटल एक आपको आंसर करता हूँ इसका.
जी सर.
मैं आपको म्यूट करता हूँ. आप म्यूट कर लो, मैं आपको आंसर करता हूँ. तो guys, I don't have any problem, in sharing the support or in sharing the resistance after every trade. अगर मैं आपको every trade के साथ detail explanation दे पा रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर breakout है, यहाँ पर resistance है, ये यहाँ से इस level तक का ये जाने वाला है, the approximate profits, that is absolutely okay for me to share it with all of you. But guys, we are running a kind of a group or a kind of a family with over 370 odd people. और मैं ये सारे 350 लोगों के ऊपर जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए मैं ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकता कि सारे के सारे लोग ये सारी चीजें समझ के अपने प्रॉफिट्स को ट्रेल कर पाएंगे. Okay. Quite a many people separately come and ask me कि सर इसका टारगेट क्या हो सकता है, what could be the target for the option that you have given to me. I very well give them the resistance level, the support levels, the expected or the estimated target that can be met on this. But guys, not in interest of me, but in your interest, and in your favor, I try to avoid giving that. The problem is greed का ना कोई limit नहीं होता. There is no limit of greed. If you manage to earn like 100 or 200 rupees on your option trade, 100 से अगर वो 150 हो गया, 200 हो गया, 250 हो गया, 300 भी हो गया, फिर भी वो आपका जो ग्रीड फैक्टर है ना, वो आपको उसको बुक नहीं करने देगा. बट अगर वहीं पर अगर मैं अगर आपको नहीं बताता हूँ कि ये यहाँ से इतना जा सकता है, ये आपका 100 रुपए का जो कॉल है वो 400 रुपए हो सकता है, वो 500 रुपए हो सकता है, आपको जब वो चीज पता ही नहीं रहेगी तो आप क्या फोकस करोगे, जो मेरे पास आया है, जो मेरे पास है, मुझे उसे बुक कर लेने दो. राइट. आप जो 350 से 370 लोगों के करीब हमारे चैनल में अभी जो लोग हैं, उसमें से मैं समझता हूँ कि चलो 50 से 70 लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको ये सारी चीजें appropriately समझ में आती है, who get to understand this support and resistance funda quite appropriately. But what about the another set of 300 people who are just started to understand this? Okay. I mean, to be honest, with opening this channel or so called the forum or group, is to make the people learn who wanted to trade, rather burning their entire capital, they're burning their entire careers into it. Okay, that is the only thing. So if you would have noticed, I never emphasize on the targets. I always emphasize on securing your profits. जो जो MTM में दिख रहा है उसे सिक्योर करने की सोचो, जो आप घर ले जा सकते हो, try to secure that. What additional profits you can make.
गुरुजी मेरी दुआ है कि कम से कम ये जो 300 पीपल हैं अपने पास, ये 3000 पीपल हो जाएं महीने के आखिरी तक, नवंबर के।
तो
ठीक
रोहित जी,
है सर,
आपके सामने एक क्वेश्चन में रखता हूँ, ठीक है?
जी
चलो, आपको मैंने बता दिया कि 3 ऐसे ट्रेड में अगर आपको दे दूंगा, चलो 3 दिन में, ठीक है, जहां पर मैं आपको आप एंटर करते बता दूंगा कि आप इसको 400 में खरीदो, कुछ भी हो जाए इसको आप दिन के दौरान बेचना नहीं, ये जो ट्रेड है ये दिन के एंड में 700 रुपए में जाके ये खत्म होगा, ठीक है? ऐसे मैंने आपको 3 दिन बता दिए और चौथे दिन से मैंने आपको बताना छोड़ दिया, ठीक है? चौथे दिन में
जी।
मैं वो डिराइव नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि 400 से 700 जाएगा या 800 जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा। बट चौथे दिन से आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी पता है? आपने तीनों दिन में इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्रॉफिट्स कमाया ना, तो आप चौथे दिन 5वें दिन भी आप यही माइंडसेट को लेके ट्रेड करोगे कि मैंने पिछले 3 दिन में 300 से 400 रुपए हर ट्रेड में कमाया, तो मुझे आगे के ट्रेड्स में भी ऐसे ही कमाने हैं।
गुरुजी सही कह रहे हैं, बस मतलब अभी मेरी आप क्वेश्चन समझे नहीं। मैं सिर्फ आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ, जैसे आप बोलते हैं ना कि ट्रेल करो, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता है कि मैं उसको कितना ट्रेल करूं। मैं ये नहीं समझ पाता हूँ कि जैसे आपने 400 में दिया,
आप कितने
सर
लॉट करते हो?
मैं
सर आप
सर अप्रोक्स बैंक निफ्टी में 4 लॉट और निफ्टी में 2 लॉट।
ओके, बैंक निफ्टी में 4 लॉट और निफ्टी में 2 लॉट, चलो ठीक है। मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक नोट भेजा था कि ट्रेलिंग क्या होता है और ट्रेल कैसे करते हैं। ओके, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, रोहित एंड ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, if you are trading with like very minimal set like 1 lot or 2 lot, don't set very high expectations. मत सोचो कि ये एक लॉट लेकर मैं जो एंटर हुआ मैं इसमें से 2000 4000 6000 8000 बना के लेके जाऊंगा, क्योंकि आपने कितने का ही मार्जिन वहां पे रिस्क में डाला है, ठीक है? आइडियली अगर मैं 1:1 का भी रेशियो देखूं तो 2000 कमाने के लिए आपको 2000 रिस्क में भी डालना होगा।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मैं इंटरप्ट कर सकता हूँ? एक मेरा
बोलिए,
एक्सपीरियंस है। हाँ, क्या हो रहा था, मेरा भी एग्जैक्टली इनका ही मतलब ये जो अभी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं रोहित सर, मेरा अभी वैसा ही चल रहा था।